And as a Mexico, Amaino, Omutimimo, Uko Piemo Mexico, goalkeeper as usual, Abrantia, Ochoa, Eda Postimo, defenders, Galado, Abrantia, and Ensono, Ede Hector Moreno, Montes, Arejo, Anafensono, Julian, and as Abrantia, and Kevin Alvarez, Omujina Chiro, Medford, Abrantia, and so Luis Chavez, Abrantia, Andres Guardado, Anafeno, Hector Herrera. Up front, I have Abrantia, Vega, Anafei, Lozano. When them Rantel Mujina Masiakai, Edama Mexico. Uko Piemu, Argentina, goalkeeper Emiliano Martinez at the post, Musansuna, Montiel, Nicolas Otamendi, Lisandro Martinez, Acuna, midfielders, Angel Di Maria, Rodrigo Di Paul, Abrantia Nidi, Eddie Guado Rodriguez, Anave, Alexis McAllister, up front, Lionel Messi, Anave, Lautaro Martinez. Referee Daniele Osato from Italy, NHL game so. Krobia game na chance Argentina versus Mexico.
Yeah, okay. This is a game a very difficult game for both teams, Mexico in their first game against Poland, one more modern ball, how compact they were in terms of defending. And in the midfield, very solid against Polish. Omu to me talk also Enya in the 0-0. Though one more concede a penalty in the half of 18-yard box Robert Lewandowski into me anxious a penalty I'm Antoine Ama one fan punish the Mexicans now one more up against Argentina. A hungrier Argentina, woman to lose a shock defeater. Saudi Arabia, the return. I ne woman him so to me a sweet victory and I say revenge. Woman to me make a case for themselves because this particular fixture, Gambia, they can never afford to lose this particular game. At least a draw will help them because in their next game, our money Poland they be to me abono. Bibia be to me see. A draw in this particular game, winning against Poland, normal 4 points, and also be dependent on how other results in the BCA, you will still stand a chance of qualifying to the next stage. So I think that now a very good game, 60 minutes of action play, and there will be to me a show in question in terms of say winning. This is a game where Argentina they are going to see more of the ball. One more nebe kutabo on in terms of position and I say possession is annual it's going to be down to Argentines. Then we share that of Mexicans now man-to-man marking juma low block in terms of defending deep, then using the counter-attacking approach. I think it would help. But whenever Omukutabo, they will open up now but the moment they lose the ball, able to me surge back across the center line and making sure say give you room for the likes of Abrantia Yefreno, Lautaro Martinez, Lionel Andre Messi, then Fabian Angel Di Maria. These are pacey players in terms of dribbling. One more dribble one more city so well and making sure say at least if nothing at all first half we one more to me keep a clean sheet in the first half. I one more allow if they are not scoring, they are not making any way for the Argentine to also find the back of the net. Very high intense game. Physical, I know able to me also Juma in this particular game, and I think that a game okay and said that easy sir and farmer Argentine, but we share now big boys singing know to me about into the occasion. They are a on paper virtually now looking good. Say one way to me winning one to me show name to know Juma in terms of names. They say Poland and Saudi Arabia. It looks to say Poland they be winning. France against Denmark. The name France, to me winning game. Australia in the World Cup. I think they are far better our World Cup stage than that of Tunisia, comparing one more appearance, number of times I want to appear or World Cup, any the stage I want to progress here. I think with these things, Australia now look better and mature than that of the Tunisians, almost to me that victory. So it is down to Argentina this time. So almost to me win. So the day itself, it look brighter to the big boys, and I'm expecting Argentina to, if nothing at all, a win in this particular game. I think it will do for them.
A win in this particular game. Boy, Argentina, minor. And fire Boetia, Argentina. Abrantia Lozano of Mexico, ya coach de Nato. And the free kick Boetia, Argentina. Argentina, Afemo, Musani Faso one ma. A honor bonita. Mikael Sobe journey live on Facebook. A Command Radio 97.1 on Facebook. For Argentina Fatwa. Niankin kan fama Mexico. Nasudebi. Bonechem. Bonechem kakrebi nanka brantie. Hector Herrera. Enya Opinano. Ediama Mexico. So far 10 minutes and ya Argentina and Shebi. Mexico and Shebi. We are FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022. And an air live commentary by Kind Ketsi, Hot Oven, Offla Construction, and Sunyamiya Chopper. Ukraine supported by Ready Food, Sansona, Loma Vista IPS, Loma Vista IPS, Kona question there. Otoma Enterprise, Executive Pub, Enrop Enterprise, K. Asari and Company Limited, Amukraimu, Higher Heights Hotel, over there, Philly. Amukraimu, you're the live commentary, but I'm your commentator. Kelvin Ampontedi, call me AK the boss player. The summarizer, Krobia Atsante Owum. Sansona co-commentator, Pasolo Paradise. Ziggy B. Amunyina Boa. Ama Jumeri Netimakoso. Bona Bedi Argentina. Abrantia Montiel, the Akoichiri de Ama. Nicolas Otamendi back to Montiel on Sanifaso Messi Ajibono. You could cry Messi Musana Swatch Fefe. A piano bar Messi, a piano bar Di Maria. A chant the national referee say Yantua game so. Daniele Osato from Italy. Or see Yantua game 20 Mexico for you born their freight or Trimpire Pine. Bonabedi, Mexico, Winepa, Vega for Mexico about to pass and also that be Argentina timely intervention. Hey! Bonimo Day, Rodrigo De Paul, Ane Guardado, Captain Adama, Mexico. Amuko Shiem se Kekrao, Nansoma Sode Drum Naso. Argentina Niabre, Mexico, Amusua Niabre, Argentina coach, Lionel Scolani, Meunsa Kasakasa Tutonisa. Joining live on Facebook, Nazareth, Paribide Money Williams. I say, Okuman Global Sports to the world, more fire. Pariba, more fire and come from out. Still Argentina with a ball, Bonabedu, Acuna. Why yes, once you shall Lautaro Martinez now to the be. Assume Martinez had to be into a game to Mexico. Calvin Alvarez, where Pierre Mawine, Montes to Alvarez. Alvarez Adami Fefe while you're born in their tomb. So be anywhere. Born at Russia, throwing a 20 Mexico. A throw in a 20 Mexico hot oven. Gerardo Tata Martino. Gerardo Tata Martino on head coach Adema Mexico. Enkane coach FC Barcelona. Into nim Lionel Messi yepa. Tata Martino. On head coach Adema Mexico. Born Abedi Montiel for Argentina on the right hand side. Now so ya Chidi Efrinisem. Mexico Vaga. Referee Danielio Sato. I say Fawa Yam Monfentia Mexico. Captain Adema Mexico. Guadadon Waja lie as a referee. The match you are eating, it is good. Referee, the match you are eating, it is good. Now, so no, Angel Fabian Di Maria. Why so quiet in the first 14 minutes in a game? Argentina, Rodrigo Di Paul. Watch the ball, the PPR Banim. Wapiana Quetre da Coma. Abrantiani Anthony Rodriguez Ekrokrabono Chobi Ariama Alessandro Martinez back to Rodriguez Fifia Messi Wabejibono Wapiana Martinez Bim Lissandro or Chobi the man or body Akobin Kumsariama Messi Lionel Messi Yasuno Nasbona Di Maria Lusu Bono Mexico America Baba Nanso Lissandro Martinez a clear ball in the through my bona trash Lisandro Martinez, to see that kind of the English Premier League in Manchester United. And you may Manu Wasuru. Martinez and Manu Wasuru. 14 echo 15 minutes. Argentina 0. Mexico 0. Mexico in the Crabono. Kevin Alvarez was 17 in the Codifaso. Chawai, Abrante Chavez the Piana Mawai, Montes is Ukru Craboni da Betchere Dama. Abrante Anidi, Ansono, Eddie Alvarez above 50, Guardado, Oishobi, beautiful turn from Hector Herrera, on the Piano Quetri, and according to Sanifaso, Achuche Abrante Chavez to Montes back to Chavez, Mexico, Amo Bobby B, Mexico, part to pa. Now so Atia Faso, Argentina share. I'm the Baracoche, Mexico, Lisandro, Anasa Brante, Lizano, Nigeria free some ya wobi the natural referee say foul Mexico. Ha. Foul Mexico. Ewo Argentina 18 box na chipe. Hector Herrera, Dinabache, Echo War, Nicolas Otamendi, Nano, Antino Daniele Osato from Italy. I see a foul in Montia, Mexico. Japan in Tempaso, Paul Abedi, Nicolas Otamendi, Rodriguez Rada, Pipia Paul and the Paninim, or the Amaliano Messi center circle, Messi Abopaz Yakomawai, Abrantiani, Ansono, Ere Rodrigo Di Paul, Obetmachiana, Di Paul Crabono, Winepa, Rodriguez, Wapiana Mawai, Lionel Messi, she should be the Amano, I don't say about 50 Di Paul pass and I'm copying referee Danielio Sato, or then one quadri Di Paul pass, Di Paul Jack. As the referee, me my pass, I quad one bed over Barbed, yeah. And you know, a drop ball in a year. Na Argentina to me. As I read the possession, born out the Argentina, Abrantia Nicolas Otamendi in the Crabono. But Pierre Acoma, Abrantia Niniere, Rodriguez, Wamatru Pasa Messi, so Messi sent to Caberi, Hector Herrera for Mexico. Yaboni Pim the first center second as Lisandro Martinez, or Pim the Libreso, Abrantia Lautaro Martinez, Yasu will be the natural referee say outside. Referee Danielio Sato say offside it here. Lautaro Martinez enter one say. What's the referee? Me. Hey me. I say Martinez in inside the ball. No Martinez say hey me. Man family Sanji made me bo my chest. Footballers. Hey. So far go beyond to me PM here. So far, 17 minutes. Argentina 0, Mexico 0, Croatia.
Yeah, I can say this is a game from Mexico for now and Argentina these are America for Central America versus in South America and our to me and the physicality of the game no look clear at the early stage of the game no who say a young warden we know a man to man toe to toe near babe kono and idea Emma game no look so interesting said the anime expect from the Mexicans and say one more bono I think say one more assistant mukra now one more game ni all out with any Argentines na say bia one more a bit defend one more be city deep kakra making sure say one more be catch the Argentines on a counter attack but that isn't the case per the minute I abo so far into the 20th minute I abo no game no a open game will be anywhere or show any intention of defending and as sitting for the opponent to push him with the ball then now we catch the other opponent on a counter break so this is a game a very open one more ball as an European teams are almost here obi bia engage and who say or rely a certain pattern so am the other person where the ball na push and I think say and now the best of the game so far and what do you no any the intensity so far no look clear this is a side that remove Argentine national team na open your friend Lionel Scaloni etumi aye 5 changes as compared to in the first game to me boy so meaning say over 48 close to 45 to 48% change way to me in the first game boy on Saudi Arabia no Abrante friend Montiel the right hand side coming in for Abrante friend Molina or starting in the first game then Lisandro Martinez coming in for Abrante friend Christian Romero Marcus Aquina in the expense of Nicolas Tagliafico Rodriguez Ewomu Edemaliando Paredes are starting in the first game. Then Mark Alexis Alesta in for Papu Gomez, meaning say 5 changes and away out of the possible 11 or boy in the first game, making sure say no best solidify in Finfinwo and making sure say one more of the ball one way to me ako toe to toe because this is a Mexican side watching their game carefully against Poland, in terms of strength, one more it will be midfield battle, one more it will be more attacking players able to me but therefore we be making sure say more now attacking so midfield able to me are solid to block more of the ball from supplies the Mexicans so able to me who make sure say ne ye can say in the first game na and what's our branch friend Romero Oba from Atlanta obe PM and so Tottenham Hotspur the form and share down your form be do on Nicolas Otamendi and a partner in the qualifiers one more boy the qualification for the Argentine team but I think that players in the one more pick so well one more better than one more ball qualifiers and indeed Lionel Scaloni to me ehusa new money in the first game and this time round we to me make changes uremu Mexico so as manager nso to me 4 changes on so to me as compared to one first game one so any team my friend Poland nso to me boy this is a game a different ball game altogether and one more captain your friend Guardado enya in the first game to me enya akwenya started this time round he's back and captain armband bonisa on so ejina infinfinwo the Daniniama sanso ana Abrante your friend Araujo in the defense on so to me abemu ababe making sure say echiri one be solid ana Abrante friend Alvarez and so etumi aba on so ebebo amanioman so etumi akonkan so I think say both teams in their first games Newman shada anko said and our more expert and therefore one way to me make good changes be our one set up to match the opponent and then so as Lionel Scaloni making sure so obey to me make huge changes and so one set up against that of Mexicans after watching Mexican team so and Mexico for so to me changes and so able to me suity no making sure so one must be to me the our counter that of the Argentines so it won't be an easy game at all this particular time. It won't be an easy game because both team Argentina or 0 points in the first game and Koye Sanso ana in the team my friend Mexico so in the first game on so to me draw so if nothing at all Mexico was this particular game say anya she crowd and ya dia wo musu be lucy one more game a one Saudi Arabia bebo, of which on paper it looks clear say one be to me winning Saudi Arabia unless that's no man wa football we say Saudi to me twifa Argentina so no enu be to me see but anything other than that Mexico a looking favorite say one be winning that particular fixture. Argentina if you say one more go akwa share Poland, it won't be easy for them. And now when South Americans we share Europeans now and also ya dey one more to me break papa pantino. Now they would have to also get one more first 3 points I be to me aboa a point there no in some way a be Argentine for no hoop kakra. So that particular game we be a very difficult game. Still it looks likely everything suits say Argentine for no at the end of the 90 minutes no BBH say one more say you probably be to me win the game where one more be to me aba as victors, but I think say it won't be easy. It won't be an easy ride for the Argentines, you know, if they are looking forward to overcome this Mexicans. They would have to put in more energy, more zeal, and a sense of urgency. Say one to me making sure say the 3 maximum points, but for no. It needs extra work from the Argentines.
And why crop here? Fantastic analysis. And then a crop here Santiago Paponi Cram Lionel Messi or Mexico FM. Abedila around the poor Argentina derby. Offside. Aitia Argentina Brantia Montiel. Now I offside. And the referee Daniel Sato wa whistle say offside I am Montia. Argentina still 25 minutes. Argentina 0, Mexico 0. Argentina 0, Mexico 0. Bonabedi Mexico for FM. Goalkeeper Joa Jinijina Bono so Pilbia Bo Area Mano. Ninsa Abekawai. Mexico Bona Trasie Troya Tuatia. Argentina Troya Tuatia Argentina Turintan Pass Bonabedi Alvarez. Wapia Area Quetri Area Ma. Ochoa nso abomutum ere asimu etrempa yo pan bona bedi Mexico abrante areho abonu bum ere abepiem wa Argentina for echrewo nanso abrante Lisandro Martinez wapembo na bona trasie throwing na yeto atia Argentina throwing na yeto atia Argentina turn tempa so wine up Chavez cross on a baby. Chavez ball bueno and Nampona Chibaby cry. A crapem citizen on Facebook or see keep up the good works. Thumbs up. Nidio Diapa. Argentina Bonnie crack goalkeeper Martinez or Diapa. Nifa Swadiama Montiel so you why Abrante Di Maria very quiet in the game. Minchera Ehu Di Maria ye. Why very quiet in the game. Very, very quiet. Angel Di Maria. Why very, very quiet in the game. Oboni Bordima. Paris Saint-Germain. A few PSG Abe PMO Juve. And they bought the old ladies of Italian football. When they crowd ball, no. Abrante Acuna, Obetmachi and open Kumso. Acuna. Watching across the board, they see Argentina. Lionel Messi, the shortest man on the pitch. Ano Ananiti, Eka Warren and so. Bono. And I'm crossbar no so. Lionel Messi, parking Usunyo Nuitia. Now so. Martinez, now so Messi, on the tier to me pin more than Bono. A trash goal kick. Now Messi go for them, say Bono Kana. Come with you now, Bona to atenem. Austin. Argentina versus Mexico still 0-0.
I'm not surprised say Argentina and Mexico 0-0. Argentina no. As a pressure be abend almost say chinchina say baby. True say chinchina say baby. But on paper no more looking favorites because on my last 20 matches on my bar Argentina winning 14. And on my last match come boys was a friendly Argentina winning 4-0. And I think it's Argentina a favorite. On one calm down pressure now as a mom pressure into one calm down they could me I see said this game Argentina will win. Football, I say, rewarded the big boys in this tournament. You know, I think Messi can do something to help Argentina.
Messi bet my BB. Edabwa Argentina. Messi bet my BB. Edabwa Argentina. And he ain't not showing himself Messi baby. Messi. Do something before you die. Messi nyangu ya mum before retire. Lionel Andre Messi Coloccini nani abre wa World Cup imo. Lionel Messi nani abre nanso ene se Messi betuma bibi wa World Cup yasia ejina na game ni mu. So Nana Aidan Japan Facebook Krabia on the love emoji na wadra to. So Nana Aidan. Okay. Or depends on draw love akumano. One of the two watch there. Odoye nyina. Adra akumano Krabia. Ekuremu. Okay. Nye pencil hundo kwa. Chrodo na your pencil hundo. So Nana Aidan for maybe utie commentary ni fa ka na yesu yehu Patrick Kofia Usi or the boss say I have Messi with passion. Argentina must fall again tonight. Greetings impenifo Openya Usi Yansu yate pa yate yansu yewum Patrick Govia Usi monitoring from afar. If you can see him once you monitor. If you can see him once you monitor. It's if I didn't check for Facebook na fabra. So Aida so Nana Aidan yes. So Nana Aidan. Kwabi ya ne bi mu no. Oh okay. Kwabi ya say mami chum. Yeah. Ah communita Nana Aidan. Yentua game no so born a free kick ayobatia. Mexico Fifian for Messi. Tempaso apodiama. Abrante aniding Edi Di Maria to the Paul to Abrante aniding Edi Acuna Di Maria Uramo Argentina na so Bonnie corner kick ayobatia Mexico ahonyera pa ahonyera pa corner kick ayobatia Mexico Mikasa Hotovin Brudo Papa Benya Eddie Afili Sansona Ofla Construction and Real Estate and also Dino you see Eddie Amao and Sunyami Chopa Fufu Panko Mutu Bedi Afili and Sunyami Chopa Otomo Enterprise Provisions Branabeto and Rob Enterprise Abani Decoder DSTV Go TV Digibox HD Plus Decoder Yaton ready food and you are be delivered the amount Yusua Pono. Sansona Brackesin. Major Pharmacy. Omunyana Bekao. Concept Foods. Omunjanam. And they K. Asari and Company Limited. K. Asari and Company Limited. Loma Vista IPS. Loma Vista IPS Ejrem. Executive Pub. And I remember that to be Nunumbi GGB. Ninjano a executive pub ekropon. Boys, Munshia, girls, Munshia. A freaky kaya to Mexico for FM. Abu Ben Kumso a coconut kick on ma. Lionel Messi, actually. Lionel Messi, Oyedia go beba. Argentina, Debbie Messi free kick na Kwabase. Goalkeeper Ochoa, Yasumuno referee Daniele Osato. Referee Daniele Osato. Osia foul. Yambontia. Argentina. Referee Daniele Osato from Italy. Yawono in the year November 23rd, 1975. As I know 3 days ago, Yana Odin birthday. Daniele Osato. Yawono ewo Vicenza. Ewo Italy. Vicenza de Madame Football Grace. Abichia Grace ya do Vicenza aminchia. Referee Daniele Osato. Oh yeah, heavy papa. And they onyani FIFA badge in the year 2010. And then they onyani FIFA badge talk us to the matches 2014 World Cup Urem 2012 Euros no jam. Upon UEFA Champions League matches 2012-2013 ODB 2013-2014 ODE 2014-2015 Papani DB match ODE Mubansam Naya Nidim Baji Anaso Baji Nidim Pae 2016 Abra PSV Eindhoven and that's let's come and read a boy in the Champions League. Referee no dia and some dia bebre. And some dia bebre. Na 2018 1st July Ugremu Russia World Cup rim. My name koya VAR referee. Abrana Croatia and Denmark ebo. Matches in the referee no Osato Ojina Nanso. I know I was in a big game way. And paying for so show my friend said Osato Bedi game no. Papa no so the game no pepe. Daniele Osato 36 minutes still Argentina 0 Mexico 0 Croatia.
Yeah. Okay. Very good game. Many the approach of the two teams, how our approach the game. You could see the seriousness between the two teams now. None of the teams, is leaving the stone unturned for the other. And one say at all costs, was a back winning. Mexicans, say, woman deserve say one bet to me a crown in the day. Same as the Argentines and woman so they were more playing woman so she him say one a bet to me a carry the day no. But I think say Argentines woman they are the ones having more of their ball. Born the count say woman to me passing more before answer Mexicans need to me a recover born back. But I think say the Mexicans born a woman do woman open game no more woman ball. But they are defending quietly deep kakra and said that so deep say one city back one more approach game but one more be but I think say sometimes, especially when our ball no equal to Argentines, you could see say women are falling back and making sure say they will win the ball back. Even before answer on the 18-yard box, but Argentines, you on several notes are making incursions. Say in terms of crosses, a bit to me into the box, in terms of say one a bit draw in the 18-yard box of the Mexicans, to me go. I think say they are pushing more than they are in Mexicans for So Argentine looking bright. Argentine now pushing more. So to me first go and unshare Mexicans now. One making sure so defend so well. One 1, 2, 3. I was saying do that of the Argentine box. 1, 2, 3. I was saying do that of the Argentine box. And one more wings, and I didn't one more share Vegas and Abrante friend Lozano. One more making sure say one be Jumano, but which Lisandro Martinez on the left side of the central defense. He's been solid, and then so far he's been the man for the Argentine back, winning more the ball. Boss, we're winning about 2-3 area duels. Sebono Kosrona of Abono. He's very short, but I think he's picking up all the balls. We through balls, pick Samson Abrante Freno, Molina, and then Wababe Shimu, Honomo, Onosu Bejuma. Ede Abwa Amanioma Etumia Konkain Marcus Acuna and so Abwa. So I think especially Argentina side, they've been solid on the left side and more of the ball. No, one so Felice Lozano na ne one feeding more ball. On to me taking on players. He's one of their creative players. One so far in terms of from the midfield, their core attacking is their prospect, is their main man. Woman so be to me cause damage at the half of the Argentines. And more balls and the Honsona in terms of Argentines and so woman so defended so well. One more players are very difficult to bypass them, and as a way to me dribble past them. And these are Lisandro Martinez, and Abrante Freno Marcus Acuna. They are doing excellent job for that area and so the Argentines. Okay. For now, I think it looks good for the Argentines, but share how they go a bit more to me. But this very first half of the year, I think both teams, one a bit to me credits. And earlier on, say game win, especially in the first half, I don't see each team and I say any of the teams to me a win in the first half. It will be a draw. Maybe in the second half, the 15 minutes each managers in other teams, how are in the first half and one more ready game, they will map up a new strategy in the second half, against each other. Then in the second half, the real deal, the real test for each of the teams, and you be the best out of these two teams, at the end of the 90 minutes. But for this very first half, I think that we will do with it with a scoreless half. I able to me and we remweki.
I know Cropia Asantene, I don't know. 40 minutes still Mexico 0 Argentina 0. Austin, do you think that 5 minutes okay go be beating my back give them
5 minutes okay they help Argentina by expectation come to me am I a goal but ball my born in Mexico for and defending be more Argentina for a born man to man but it's Argentina for ahead the team Mexico for a crabby and I think it's a 5 minutes okay there it will be a draw game near Kwaba near the second half.
Bear drawn game. Now Yakwabana, Yabasha second half. No. Argentina near Bre, Mexico near Bre, still 0-0. Mexico ayan sachae. Captain Adema Mexico, Andres Guardado. Wafrimu Ama Abrante Eric Gutierrez. Anuswabem. Eric Gutierrez. Wabem upon ball our Netherlands Sadima PSV Eindhoven Wabem Abeyi Abrantian Ding and Swade Andres Guardado are picking up Abrantian are picking up Yantua game to Mexico Lizano Quatrinia and so Bonamfa Abrantier Kevin Alvarez. And no dia gross small boy Kevin Alvarez. No one fair. Pa. 23 years. Ana Korana di. Hey. Argentina coach. Akotwa Abrante Obemu nche Gutierrez Abrante Montiel wamfa nche kura chano amana kono sajwa chana mana kono anya singa na Abrante Isanka nena ni munyina anya ne dia hey Gonzalo Montiel nitimo den Chia Gutierrez akono papa krobi etwande akwa Abrante no.
Yeah, I think that it was a hard tackle Abrante no de kwe, but he was fortunate. Gutierrez he fortunate to say you know ekọ baby are protected. Machine guard no na you know that area na pepe na Abrante ni stud boot no to me ekọ kan end or you fully fit. I think that losing Abrante Freno Guardado, their captain, in the first game against Poland, now only available due to injury, and the fitness level, no, I think say 100%. But against Argentina, no, na still no, one more person, one more making sure say one benya the leadership quality, no, that energy, no, one more be to me any free no, in terms of so be to me a man in midfield, the one more a control team, no, now one more to me against Argentina, and then on the boy ma coach, you know, to me. Yes, sadly, they are going to me. I want to pan and about this game, no. But I think that in the first half, you know, just less than 45 minutes, you know, and you have the Abrante in the to me out so, and you can never cheat nature, and on exactly need to me out to Abrante. Very unfortunate, say one more Lucy, one more player in you know, in terms of the midfield, you know, or control BBI or. But I think that Osha Abrante, Freno Gutierrez, away to me abemuna and the numbers. On the club side, you know, it's not easy this time round. We share the form of Philip Sporting and Robin or the Dutch Eredivisie anymore. It's very solid. I want to brand a friend Cody Gakpo, a leading lines for the Oranges of Netherlands and so free. They've produced talent at this particular season. One more talent, one so in the UEFA Europa League, you know, one more than more and in the league, you know, Eredivisie players in more now, and so to me make it this World Cup trip, you know, at them our more respective nations are almost to media them. So it is a league. I player I bononya 90 minutes day in day out, and I say week in week out. It's a player who be to me put you trust in, especially when playing for either Ajax and I say PSV and Eindhoven. So in the first game, one also when to me and Benjamin he was on the bench throughout the 90 minutes. But I think say for now, Yemshed you also the baby on board for the Mexicans.
45 minutes, you know. Asun. Acadia referee Daniel start to the battle, so defending throwing Mexico to 5 minutes, and a referee Daniel start to the battle, so Mexico born to Nanko baby born abedi Argentina. Abrante Lisandro Martinez kulkra born appear the question the man Martinez appear the Otamendi born ten Montiel Argentina Nansu born atrasie. Bono atrasie a goal kick ayabatia Argentina Mexico fans na idin Argentina fans na idin Obia Pewin coach Lionel Scolani Titina Bodji the South Funny Tima Wusuniti chai Tefaso dia Jimmy Dakata Tefaso and found Magic Copa America Ngofui on me jam kwine kra on me jam kwine and here Lionel Scolani Tefaso so Messi Beretta Di Maria Beretta Otamendi Beretta Omunyina Beretta Omundu Argentina kwa Beretta o kata Yantua game no so Argentina amu ne bona kwache na so Messi ababeje referee Danieli Osato Ose fault ya Lionel Messi because Juana the Black Stars of Ghana and our face South Korea Ghana and South Korea Juana 1 p.m. Now referee Anthony Taylor from England on obedi ayere ada ramu fa ba ma ko so the background Anthony Taylor Van de mo sada mo de ba on de upa mun FIFA ngasa meche nko gina obeka teneni Anthony Taylor o chiva kra digana fu yibe ya be sha yen che preko Yancha preko na ekoye kokwasa akoye va dia Anthony Taylor. Ono entabo space pa na friends okosho va obese dia ko onhwe kra. O bompa wa bobi dia ma man konkron Ghana abra juada yene South Korea airport. Ghana must qualify. And Ghana must win against South Korea. Now so Heidi will be Argentina 0 Mexico 0. Abrante Martinez the China national referee or say she Yantuaso Mexico America baba fifi obo pass be hu now so that be Abrante Chavez or the boy that China was a China natural McAllister akochia McAllister den bo dream league power McAllister a chip on their friends in Mexico. And Fifi FM, Abrante Hector Herrera, a Tifaso Asashibeba, beautiful term from Hector, Dabi, Naso born and say, Abedi, Galado Benkus, or Bob Pass and check, why Naso born up him. 5 minutes, referee, Danielo start to the toast on your Bomu 4, Aka 1. Lionel Messi, Mihun Gibnimo, Angel Di Maria, Lautaro Martinez, Amunina, Mihuamo Gibnimo. Argentina lacking creativity. I'm lacking creativity. And you myself first toss me do. McAllister be free. Now the lights of Paulo Dybala on bench, Papu Gomez. I'm on bench. Mexico, Debbie. It was a nice effort from Abrante Vega. And so, Bonham crossbar so. What class go Pana go best Vega, the Bonham crossbar so. Enter referee Bonabend of Fedi Canning and Panamia. That's Mexico. I'm saying referee point here to us. Bonabedi, Abrante Hector Moreno, a Pimia Free on answer that be Rodrigo Di Paul. Beautiful control from Abrantiano. Whenever Messi, Debbie Lautaro Martinez, Pierre McAllister passing on the Toasebehu. Whenever Fabian Di Maria, Angel Di Maria, Pierre Bahai, McAllister, or Messi, born in Argentina, Obetumashe Guantana Aquana, Argentina, born up him, air corner. Mexico, I say, Argentina. Mexico, Omania pa. This could be the last kick of the game. Messi, Janakona Nechi, Mehu Nicolas Otamendi, Lisandro Martinez, Omunyana Bemba Pego, Messi took on no, ya pim de fro, born in say, referee. Danielio Sato, a Bonabedi of Fedi Cana Banaway. Rodrigo Di Paul Waja. I see referee. You took one of your people and I'm just saying, short to palm, me waba point here. What me? And so Danielio Sato say, me my 45 and 5 for count, one more shot. And yeah, my points and our ball. And the referee Danielio Sato, Wapona Benny of Fedi Cana Abanaway. Argentina 0. Mexico 0. You try one part, the part. First toss me no, the live commentary about toss me jamu, and my pass on the paradise that thing so no. If you turn there, kakra ono soro at me, Eddie FM.
2 games, no any 1 point.
Ghana must be here and lost. Ghana 1, Portugal 4. Ghana 1, Portugal 4. What's Ghana 2? What's Ghana 2? On the big guys. Hello. Much as around, or more air trying see, I'll be doing as long my fellow one will balance and they got to solve she talks and speaks like a mother because so this is Oakland 97.1. They were executive on Ghana should play like Saudi Arabia. Look, because all Portugal is beatable. Japan Japan scored Germany. Nobody was expecting it. And they buy it. It's attending the boys. We line up like Kasa. Only your coach. Only line up okay. It's whoever is there. Also, someone paying. So I have to pay. I'm going to do also, come on, why? And the Obia and the Okuma and our executive hub.
All right, and you know, I draw Pokia as an arm, and then you know, and supporters and a fans have a PMO, our executive power, and in common, Union Fifi, yeah, and you know, TV, your executive pub, our propon, and the bank, major pharmacy, yes, or pay, and you know, executive pub, yes, your back, and you know, giant screen power, and you see, and also enjoy a Ghana Portugal game. Obanswa, Yabenum, Yabedi, Ninginawa. Tuba na open we can crash on home. Now if swaba na also know what me aba enjoy. Now also have a few of the Ghana Portugal game. Krobia Sante and so no ewa the Krobia na baby sano and you know line up no senior Ohunifa the tactics are all sharing say Coach Otoado and the big game no more and the expectations going into the first half.
Okay,
come on.
There you budget tama. Jaba, Yaba Chuma. Kudos to Executive Pub, say, and then one to me, host your Command Radio 97.1. Hot of him, off law, Command Janko Kata 2022. I don't think, say, from day one, that is from Sunday, no, all the stations are one more man, Concron, it's me, all the commentary so far as our FIFA World Cup games, a year concerned, and so far, our command, we've been loyal to our listeners and one more share on Facebook and so any YouTube, you know, say from day one, Jamu BPR live commentary and also a more name of and then executive pub a host here and say, Jubeti, the baby Pimu, our Harone, who has said, Jabe BPR come out. This is the game, a Dakan and EPR come out. So, although one more share, no more show, one more displeasure, say Ghana Black Stars, Ekwa could lose this particular game. And one more share, say Ghana baby, you know, all in the name of Nioma BIM Penny for no ya. yenim se enkom kan enfam
Yeah, we dey corner kwa enjoy kakra bi. On Facebook and send a comment no cry asan ya to aso. Otomo Enterprise.
this particular game lineup no nyina no etumi atuba no coach aye friend of Fernando Santos from Portugal any coach Otuadua wo mo nyina no enso efri aman mu a wo mo je wo mo starting 11 so no etumi ede atuba eke uhwemu a I think that Fernando Santos coach for Portugal etumi aye few changes dia na ye nyina ye hwenim with players are virtually yenim sa wo mo ye starters and are going into this particular game no.
Portugal. The match needed in football and by winning by 3 goals to 2 against Ghana. I think the woman to me have a woman modern body to me as any. I'm a woman to me at the maximum, you know. But also, penalty, I want to Edema, Portugal. Second half, penalty, I want to Portugal. Ronaldo, now Shatia. And then woman to me, I just have Ghana. I think a more young about referee. And then Rodia case, I think need decisions to be over. And yeah, it looking good. Edema Ghanaians. Decisions are only be out taking in Ghana. I said I'm from Ghana, but yes, there were 2 games. Ghana next game, against South Korea. From there, one better Uruguay. I think Ghana still now one more chance to say when we to me qualify. There was other controversies I to be back in referees in Ankasano, the decisions in the play are questionable. And the how so now there's nothing I will to me about referee decisions are we take yellow. Portugal winning by 3 goals to 2. I think Ghana and Latin.
Oh, up your mind down roll. Up your mind down roll. Oh, Coma Radio. It's your radio. Oh, up your mind down roll. Up your mind down roll. Oh, Coma Radio. It's your radio.
Yensa Mamunyina Kwapa. Mfambro Kuma 97.1. Ofe Tosumienu. Argentina and Mexico still Obian Shebi. A commentator Kelvin Amponseri call me AK the boss player alongside Krobia Sante. And I face on Austin. Amona Yemi Summarizers and then you may. Ofe Tosumienu na Shasia. Krobia wa Austin wa Krobia second half expectations.
Yeah, good first half to both teams. I think that for Coach Martino on the side of Mexicans, he had it right in the first half. They had nothing to lose. Almost said any BB and we share anger. This Argentines, about this particular game where it was through PSing that of the Mexicans. So the only thing you could do is how you mop up strategy to stop them, to stop especially their channel of supply. Brandt Friend Leon and Remasi. If Messi is having more of the ball at the half of one defense now, always be an obey to me. I find means I obey to me are the only players to give them a pass. I obey to me are resulting into a goal. And I think that the back line and especially in the midfield, one more to me, I block it. These channels from the right hand side, Angel Fabian Di Maria and crosses anyhow. I him Angel Di Maria taking on players in and then again Uremu now the midfield now. Leonard Remesi and shed down here. A branch friend will Martinez crowd on the supply no crowd and Cockra he's dropped deep into the midfield. A woman fighting for the bounty before even Bono able do anymore. You have even wingers, and I said the fullbacks in the box. Any branch friend will met because one be creating, the be creating. I was so pushy born on come more. And at the end, option passing so passing him back. Want to mean now idle. I was on so bano babeboa ejumanu in the midfield. So am I honor the Mexicans are not giving those spaces, for the Argentines, to operate and I say to cause certain havoc in these spaces. I won't believe, and I think that is exactly what Wamunsu to Minyano very good in the first half. This second half, I think so one be maintaining one more Abrante Freno, Julian Alvarez or bench, solid defensive midfielder. But this time round, the height and the Merma Argentines need the Jinemu in Fifi or ya Abrante Bia or ya very short. And Hunsusa into the coach in opt for another option. I don't know my name Julian Alvarez. You in the 90 minutes, and I saw ye regular starter the Mexicans, and the young who say what bag game elho. Carlos Abrante back on a friend of Carlos Rodriguez, and so Abrante be on so all bencher over to me about one more option in the midfield than the attack. Attack one said any player Papa Bia Martino so Ginidi or bench or into Becha Vargas and any Lozano no more and in the midfield and no one and one more deco. But a very difficult say one creative chance one more to me utilize it. And in their first game you who's a problem no this particular game so one more ball more of the counters and one would do anymore. No matter could Lucy Bono Obi anywhere obey to me our finishing line will obey to me I finish those balls on the arm and then the one more problem but in the midfield today one more solid midfielders one more good bench will be brave including and as a likewise defensive midfielders one more defenders be brave so one more good bench but I think say Scaloni on there every situation every angle every part of the field or will be BBR positions in or equally good players on the bench one will be to me about Sakra Niamim Upe full backs one will be to me about that attacking fluidity Ubenya Ran Freute or Samson Abrante friend Nicolas Tagliafico one more players are one in attacking one more so good but in defense and one more lucky kakra in this Neno who control ball no more now pay full backs one way to me ama that of Neno the opponent ni fullbacks into me drop it because one also drop it by one say you catch them on the counter and who fullbacks are one more free with in terms of attacking in Tanya they want to be to me about more and I think say one more was added in the midfield one more players I would draw Enzo Fernandez who is had a very fantastic season with Benfica in the Champions League and on the top of almost sitting on the top of the Portuguese league and also the modern ball Leandro Paredes womunyina ewo Sanso na remo attacker I think say Papi Gomez ewo bench ewo Sanso ana Dybala enso ewo bench and few others. Julian Alvarez and so our bench. But who no share players in Eki. Odi Julian Alvarez Babeto Uncrofi in Temwa. Very difficult. Obe Branson when you're going to be about this one also drop it deep because Ukoto side defense way anymore. You will find it very difficult to win balls and especially even area duels. You will find it very difficult. Julian Alvarez any good in terms of say again our grounds duels, very difficult. How Mexicans need to me set up. So Yansha another minute and they said game no approach across the 50th minute. And the first 6 minutes, I think say one more maintain the pattern. Changes between about and more now changes more now affect pattern of play. Anyhow, these two teams, able to me approach game as it goes on.
I know Krobia Sante affair a toss me about so far 7 minutes. Still Argentina 0, Mexico 0. Bonabedi. Abrantia, Montiel, or the Abba, and the Aperture, the Ama, Otamendi to Rodriguez, the Ababin Kumso, Eshoche, Obidiamano, Winepa, Rodriguez, Wapiaria Coma, Montiel to Rodrigo Dipo, Abrantia Dipo, Raul Dipo Rata. Anuncia Pinariama Rodriguez ya koma Dipo to Di Maria Betmachiana Di Maria ewo minifaso across the bond ya Simo Nasrabi Ponin say Yasumo bin natural referee Siantuaso referee Asidia referee Danielio Sato Asia Fawa Jambontia Argentina Austin After touch me is still 0-0.
I'm not surprised. Yeah, Bobby 8 minutes now still now 0-0. Yeah, first half now. Now her ball the Mexicans air bar defensive no more solid. Omo maintain omo position 4-3-3 a year Juma. Unlike Argentina for I say minimum say chinchina on person bomb Messi born the Messi na Messi kwa eshegu because first half no chance of munya na last the tapa chance of munya and ya first half break na. They need to pass the ball as we shoot, or change the ball in my mess in a bonus say. In the second half, in a World Cup here, bonus goes up in a second half. Both teams to score and be a Juma in second half. Sana Mihuno.
I know Austin. I got the same to a canisa now. What is here? So will be a bit to my say, and will be a best say. Born in Argentina, the poor or Gramo Opia pass Nama. Or Chuchet Di Maria now so be any Yaboni Pim and from Mexico for a film, a triple pile, Tamandi, Wapema Di Maria, Bonabedi, Abrantia Montiel, Betma China, Wayamaliano Messi, as you so be the Amo Tamandi, Nicolas Otamendi, Kulkrabona, Pejana Bossa, Oriama Messi, Oko, Yapiana Mawai, Yabaku, and Wabanechi, born in say Mexico. And ne, Bayere. Bayere Sulia Bonsa, your boss Suliansa Bonabedi Argentina Rodriguez McAllister Rata Wapiada Cody Faso de Acoma Montiel so Di Maria Angel Di Maria watch you we're boxing him Di Maria Argentina Debbie ha Argentina players nada Obiani wo Atia Faso Mexico she Yachobio Mexico Lizano was standing with tin Winepa Mexico Nasrebi Argentina Ibona Frechero Argentina Omaniabre Lisandro Martinez or Piano McAllister, Argentina Neba, Obetuachana, McAllister, Wuram, or Shobidiaman, or Piano Messi, Jabon Society, the friends of Mexico Neba, She, and also Punuto, Nazo in Say, Lozano, Halevin Lozano, no one through, hey, Lozano, on your foul, That be referee say also so an just say and they want to me and use one you Messi nepa Argentina Lionel Messi we piano Di Maria betu machana watching Di Maria betu machibimana wasanchi Di Maria she ye kura ni musa we piano kwa chire dama Di Paul to Messi ashene chacho nim why nepa we piano ma Brantia ni de Rodriguez una se Busquets Rodriguez the ten body no Busquets Wapiama Messi to Abrantiani Day and so the Martinez a piano Lionel Messi beam Messi should be the mano Lionel Messi or Bob Passano Nanzo Bienho Lionel Messi pass or boy no Bienho Argentina for the bona Mexico players no Bayer and watch and the jetty oh boy pass are fine pass no boy fine Yay! Argentina yan sachraye Abrantia Rodriguez with free mama Enzo Fernandez Krobia on the player on a bon ball Benfica Enzo Fernandez wabem Abeyi Rodriguez Krobia and sachraye ba Argentina.
Yes, a while ago to say now make us say in terms of options the Argentine for no be brave, and especially in the midfield, one more midfield made me expect it, even in the first game against Saudi Arabia, me show me this pleasure against Lionel Scaloni. This is a tournament, though players need in the ball and they no qualifiers, but some of the players are in top form. They are one way to media on these players very hard to one way to media because one more lucky playing time one more respective clubs are one more able, and this Enzo Fernandez a very good holder of the ball who progressive ball so well I will be to me at the Abua, and I think that in the midfield will be to me toe to toe with the Mexicans midfield to me aye Jumane to me at the Abua, and I think that a like for like changing away to me and a midfielder out a midfielder in, so still now the pattern doesn't change intact nemomuno when ya obi to me pian ball no akoni more than that of the now nephew or the guys and another fresh legs are all bar energy level no was through than any obi our ball close to 60 minutes we will see that run and energy so I think that is a change opposite or the improving in the midfield say omo to me pushy ball so well.
Ano Enzo Fernandez no Lisandro Martinez Ajiro Bisa referee Daniel Sato ose foul etia Lisandro Martinez. Joining live on Facebook Okuman Radio 97.1 Argentina 0 Mexico 0 59 minutes in airport. Asosia baba sa Argentina ncha asosia baba a free kick at Mexico aya born in the Simo hi Argentina you born anga asosia ba na so da bi atiafa so one pa Argentina Montiel or share one the poor akosumo bi referee say e throw in aya to atia aya Mexico Abrante Kevin Alvarez wadi agrone wadi agro papa Argentina nepa why Abrante and Enzo Fernandez Bemunche piano Lionel Messi our center circle Messi Sanyama Fernandez or Fernandez J na for bibi or sign them out the poor no what things chachabo the poor or no piano Fernandez back to the poor to Nicolas Otamendi was center circle Otamendi so the ball nepa Lisandro Martinez or piano Abrante and so the Enzo Fernandez to the right side of attack Adiama Abrante Di Maria to Montiel back to Abrante and the poor Jejabon so the bench Adiama Abrante Fernandez to Abrante Otamendi daba benkum so Adiama Abrante and so Lisandro back to Otamendi da koni first wife to be Diamano Montiel for Argentina she wakwaji ball now so there be born say Argentina ya cross the ball wine up there be Mexico on McLaren now still with the ball with Argentina wine up Enzo wapiana di Paul to Messi to Enzo back to Abrante Lisandro Martinez. Argentina searching for the opener, pushing and pressing. looking for the opener. Abedi Di Maria, Benkumso, Di Maria Uram, She, passing anko, Apem, Abedi Argentina Obi, pressure upon pressure, Argentina Mania break, now so there be, Yajidia from say, Winepa, Lisandro, oh, a bit channel, Mekaye. You be trying to pay, referee say, oh boy, my friend, wake up, don't sleep. Referee, Daniel Osato, and then Ojran, and so, pa. Daniel Osato from Italy. The Chenta and Yawono, Bonabedi, Messi to Abrantiani near the McAllister should show Biniamano, but Piano come Abrantiani near the Montiel, Ashawine, or the Di Maria, Wakarin and Isa, Chudia Uram, Wasan Anano, or show Biniamo Betuma Passana, Di Maria, or Conin Fano Babinkum, Abo Passana Pim, born in Say, Abedu, Aya Brantani, Enzo to the Paul, what did he go the Paul, where Piana Brantani near the Enzo Fernandez or Shapasanato, Wato passing the Aquinifaso, Di Maria, beautiful control from Angel Di Maria, across the Bengu, Angel Di Maria, the B, upon the few. Mexico defending their lines so well. Mexico, I must say, yang, I'm a show, you have a pro-draw, Saudi, you bet much. I've also, you have a pro-draw on Yako. She, when I'm here, win, yeah, draw in a win there by fine, and my dear draw your mind. Atia Faso, Mexico, Jacobinem, referee Yantuaso. Still, Argentina 0, Mexico 0, FIFA World Cup, Qatar 2022. Argentina against Acharabium, Lautaro Martinez, totally off. Yajina Frimu, Samsona, Abrantia Montiel, Enzo Frim. Until Lautaro Martinez Frim, Montiel Frim. Abrantia ni Julian Alvarez, Man City akola weswan. Wapem Samsona Molina of Atletico Madrid, anu swapem. Like for like substitution. Center forward the Frim Lautaro Martinez, Julian Alvarez, another center forward wapem. Right back Montella Frimama Molina, another right back anu swapem. Argentina yan sachara miensa. Akam yenu me Atia Faso, Helvin Lozano, Debbie. Lozano, Osanke Kona, Nanso Lunchman say, Che. Oba be da me. Born here go kick. Ya born in Tempaso. Argentina nepa. Wine. Enzo Fernandez. Wepianema Molina Obemunchaye. Onosadema Fabian Di Maria. Angel Di Maria back to Lionel Messi. Or she should be out to pass. And Messi about short pass. Or Enzo Fernandez. Back to Di Maria. Wine epa. Di Maria. Kerini nice back pass. Lionel Messi. Messi shooter. Wapo shot. Goal! Lionel Messi. Why are you managing the Argentina? Opening goal pa Lionel Messi wabogoni di Argentina. What a strike and what a goal. Argentina omanyo opening goal no. Argentina 1, Mexico 0. Austin.
I'm not surprised that Argentina etumiashe go edi kind. Argentina finding in more creative players. Once we in Mexico shoot 2 balls from the behind in a share goal no. Until me expect Argentina finding the power the bar by Messi asset forward. Now Messi creating more. And remember Argentina finding asset more goals. And again the World Cup is for the big boys. Until Messi goodos Mati the entire Argentina finding be more than Messi. Say Messi and produce and deliver the bit to me there. Nice goal for Messi and kudos to Messi too.
The World Cup is for the big boys, and yes, Lionel Messi. What you say? He is the leader. He is the captain. While rising to occasion at Pogono, Ediama Argentina, Crobia Santa Argentina 1, Mexico 0.
This is what they should be trying long ago because Oshe, the defensive setup, first half, Mexicans need be muto to but this second half say they are completely defending and one more defending. Oshe counter attacker Heaven Lozano nya in the crana. Nobody in particular obe to me crampo to pass their man from the midfield that of the yard of Argentines, obi be a Mexico player be a new or Hontino. Even their attacking approach, one would remu in the second half of Nankasano, one Casano, hawa, one will be to me utilize the attacking balls, I will move to me. That is the counter attacking balls, and ya, the woman can say to me, and I think that that defensive lines now bono Messi with individual sense wabobo na che onim every tactics any angle be a to me at the bonafa playing the ball just around the box of Mexicans, you know. I know who say no. These teams, you know, they were one city up, they were one more defensive line, you know. We making sure say very difficult. Across here, no more unibono. Or the fafema na one block it. Very good sweepers at the back. In the area balls, one move winning in Di Maria crossing from the right hand side, you know. Be a new Argentina near to me, I pick it. And from one individually, any Messi as a talent I want to say no. This is the time I was a try shooting, and that shoot I think is a super fantastic goal from Lionel Andre Messi, and he's the man. I think that he's the man to in certain occasion be like this, no be to me arise and away put the Argentine in front, and that is exactly what he's done. This is a timer the likes of we know Mexicans and so no be pushing more forward, and the more I want to push forward, you know, or share the likes of Julian Alvarez, no more I want in the last 15 minutes, you know, Hawa and Di Maria taking on players, tormenting the left side of the defense of the Mexicans, you know. I think that it will give room for these Argentines, you know, to also make cases for the few counter-attacking balls and the midfield, you know. How are midfielders in your ball now? When these Mexicans are attacking, how move in ball or midfield now? The quick I want to how quick I want to locate these wingers, you know. Now I'm the ball to me. I think that they will do something, and say Mexicans, you know, use different approach. Some person want to now one more adrenaline acquire will say one more attack it to find the equalizer. They will end up getting another goal at the back of their net. I don't know, very difficult for them to come back.
Mexico, Ayan Sacharaya, Branton in the Vega, where Mama, Antuna, Abam Sansona, Abrantia, Kevin Alvarez, Onusta Frimama Ney, Raul Jimenez Abem, Mexico, Dabi, Argentina Club Lines, and Ibraba. Argentina Chamubaya Sacharaya Mianubium. Coach Liana Scaloni, Mze Ezuraba. Obayirin Finfrini, yes, McAllister. Samaisa boy. Ofrimo. Wow. Interesting. Angel Di Maria and Sufrim. Ha. The coach is here. Jania Di Maria and anyone substitution was there. Neninho, just 68 minutes. And Yapo and just one goal soon Argentina. And Waji McAllister and Di Maria Frim. And Kebio Di Maria Kakrabia, it's 75th minute, 80th minutes now, you know, Anka. Ababwa, Austin.
Surprise change, but we had the Nana Krobia Kana. You need more creative players. This time, no, I'm mobile person, I'm mobile him. In 2 years, you'll be a creative or devil free man. Now, I say, I'm person set it back and answer day. It's a bad change for me. Okay, I'm maybe a coaching in him, the wire.
Or the Cristiano Romero. Edna Bem. Samson Ade. Ezekiel Palacios. And Swabem. Ezekiel Palacios, a midfielder. Edna Bem. And Liana Scaloni 120 year. Ebe Kwetiano. Because up front will be Lionel Messi and Julian Alvarez. Born to Argentina, Lionel Messi. Watching me, a pass of Chamai. Or the Ama Acuna, Argentina. Oh, what a miss! What a miss from Molina. It was a nice cross from Acuna. And Molina, yeah, we are still time when you go boom, boom. Probably Argentina.
Yes, Argentina I caught 3-5-2. Having a branch friend, Messi and Julian Alvarez up front, but about 3-5-2 4-1-1 because Messi ebe city behind Abrante friend Julian Alvarez because NSO omeje ball in the midfield na on create spaces and farmer other players, that is fullbacks, you know, any attacking midfielders, you know, any even the attacker Julian Alvarez nti ebe hu Messi more say no always be an Julian Alvarez e won anim no won finfin so betumi yes distribution, you know, e create e dey ama won nti 3-back system no ye benya Abrante friend no Lisandro Martinez, Nicolas Otamendi and Christian Romero. Look, Nicolas Otamendi playing between Lisandro Martinez and Christian Romero. Then Molina and then Aquina Womo ball as fullbacks. Midfield, you know, 5. I think they be to me about Palacios, another midfielder or the Nababe County, you know, in central midfield, you know, in between the fullbacks, the 2 and 3, you know. Midfielders, making sure say we protect this particular goal action, and if in any another goal, hallelujah. But if they are not getting another goal, ye or strengthen there's no way I will be give you room for this Mexicans, you know, to treat now more to me the equalizer. That is exactly the mind of Lionel Scaloni changing our way to me, you know.
I know Lionel Scaloni, coach, head coach at Argentina. And Sachrawaya, Bonabedi, Abrante Molina for Argentina on the right side of Pianama, Rodrigo De Paul, and then I want to also De Paul also no a banner message in Guadobe Kuno. Uko Argentina friend Lionel Messi bodyguard. Unimnado Unko Pimes, Aquia, our head Messi, the Cobadia, Nasumesi. Argentina, Jibondi French. Messi, sorry, Anka Kwana Suwesi from Depo. Mexico yen Sachraye. Mexico yen Sachraye. Another interesting substitution. Lozano Efrimu. Lozano of Mexico. Efrim. Yajina Efrim. Yayi Lozano Efrim. Yayi Lozano Efrim. Ama Alvarado Abem Roberto Alvarado Wabem Abeyi Abrantianini Ade Heaven Lozano. Argentina ni abre, Mexico ni abre. Born abedi achiri Mexico. Ya pia de akopen kum so wane oho. Abrante ni enso de Galado across the ball no Mexico na so goalkeeper de Argentina Emiliano Martinez. Waba beche ball no. Asi abotere nkwa, abotere. Luxury fedu abotere nkwa. Argentina ni abre. Bonabedi, Abranciani, Enzo Fernandez. Yes, he is the man in the midfield for Argentina. Oh yeah, Jumano. Now what thing, Papa. What thing say about Bonnie Atazu? Enzo Fernandez. Onimbonipo. Danieli Osato. Anzero. Bimunza wa siri wa machi mu. Ose sani ya mafa machi ni serious. Rumesi mafa mu serious. Wabe birigo biya you go home. Teacher Nibi, as if you don't pay your school fees, you go home. Bra Facebook Bashe. And Shira Mohammed. I say hello guys. I am Poshaba watching live from Ejoso Brony Chrome. Keep the fire burning. Hey, I message. Okay, Poshaba. I say hello guys. I'm Poshaba watching live from Ejoso Brony Chrome. Keep the fire burning. Yate. Bibini wo Brony Chrome so Bibini Chrome. And also, no, Instagram Mohammed, I say, please, bro, I'm Mohammed watching live from Pristia. You do all. Hey, Pristia. Mine's a chrome. Mine's a 4. Mine's a 4. My Instagram Mohammed message on the upper. On Facebook, join you live on Facebook. Na Fajin channel, bra. Facebook, I de. Echinye koso. Facebook for no. Echinye sa. Yantua game so Mexico, Yapia born in Amawai. Mexico nepa. Yapia de kopen kumso na so passing am fa. 75 minutes. 75 minutes. Argentina 1. Mexico 0. This is football. Any japa. Argentina fans in Germany. Mexico fans in Swapoto. And Intina fan football. Ebi any beji. Ebi rabeho. Ebi any beji. Ebi rabeho. Throwing in yayan intem. Messi. Yajibon de free nisem. Na se referee Danieli Osato or say foul. Etia throwing rather Etia Mexico. Molina for Argentina. Watu dia ban fifi Julian Alvarez. Alvarez bona koche Mexico nepa. Argentina mwe bibi amunye ni tuo na tifa so dia aso beba. Mexico ekobenkum so Galato ene wadi agro wabo pass no share Mexico aye hu ma wura Argentina box nim obetuma shoot ya na so yibo de free born say Mexico share we twa no Fred side ekobenkum so dia ma Galato so dia betri o dia ma Brantia ne de enso de Chavez we pia de ban finfini atifa so aso beba sami kan atifa so wine ba Abrantia Ezekiel Palacios we pia de ma Enzo to wine Abrantia Julian Alvarez, Argentina, this could be the second goal. Argentina, Debbie, Messi, you born the free and I know, hey, and Casua Sebaba, Mexico. She, Bonnie say, Acuna Matata, Acuna, hey, Acuna. Oh, and Acuna Diagro, at the opening game, you know, bench now. Erene Trechisano, Bonnie say, Messi, well, look at Julian Alvarez, Lionel Messi, Obetua Crosana, Argentina, Debbie. Ha! Messi ye. Akwa no so bi mu wa chiri kakra. Anka goalkeeper yi. Ebọ ne champion fe kama. Lionel Messi. Pony a goal kick. Ya pony tempa so. Hey! Messi da fomo. In China ya nanso. On that touchline echi. Messi. Oh, abasoro. I'm sorry, baba. Messi. I'm sorry. Mexico nepa. Hector Herrera. Pierre Ban Finfin show be the mano. She. Or she pass and anko. Bonabedi. Abrantiani ding. Ede. Montiel to Abrantiani ding. And sorry. Galado to Montiel Diama Abranto Bemunche Raul Jimenez Okobosulia Anfa Atiafaso Enzo Fernandez Wapiana Mawai Ezekiel Palacios ya sana se ya jina na asa kunya ada form the 20 form say patra asana se Ezekiel Palacios Hector Herrera so afufu nyame so Lionel Messi na nim nyame fe the problem there na so we but last match against Poland there all out. High Okuma 97.1 live commentary and Sunyamia Chopper aka Ofurua Chopper Offla Construction and Real Estate Samsuna Radinaya Bakery Hot Oven Breakfast and Fabrodo Papa na Dina so home Samsuna Executive Pop Boys, girls, Muntutubi, Mononumbi, Munyumani, Nina Executive Pop Ready Food. Hey, Messi, I from Tobo Sulia. Ready Food. Otomo Enterprise. Now, Quanisha Messi, no Yan Bimam say Messi as well. But Sanasi K Assyrian Company Limited, Amukraimu, Enrap Enterprise, accredited agency, Bani the code some more. Julian Alvarez. Yani abre. Argentina jira ball echi. A free kick. Rodrigo di po. Wapia da kwa chile dama Molina da ba. Ede mama Brantia Lisandro Martinez. One pass in tem na tofa soa. Kakata wo. Ya nintem. Ya boys mo pashe. Usha Julian Alvarez na height. Now to compare Mexicans and defense and height. Unza David and Goliath. Alvarez Otia kura 80 minutes in the airport. Argentina 1 Mexico 0 goal Kanketse Lionel Andre Messi Colocini. Ono na wabogono. Bona be di Mexico afem ewo ni faso wine pa Abrantie Montes or the akwa na ma goalkeeper Ochoa nchera make save your boy ba no so na akodo pomu. Mexico in defense e piana ko benkum so one ba Galado or she should be the amount of long pass and a ball shot one and a man. Bona be the Mexico phobia elbow swinging passes together. Mexico Hector Herrera we pia passing the Bonifacio one up Mexico Abrantie ni Enzo anyway you tryna show oh share Argentina form say I say what that just Abrantie Antuna you tryna show kra enti free kick ya botia Argentina e free kick ya botia Argentina e free kick ya botia Argentina Abrantie Chavez ono jina boy na chi wa yes mutinti she born say Mexico na be goalkeeper Emiliano Martinez I say for here a dive ya chibone kama Emiliano Martinez a chibona say jojo then no hwe for no pade on na wo wiem 1-9 sa Mexico girls in the hey Mexico for them wana many abebum wa the many fama wagana there Mexico 2026 amoye co-host with Canada and Afensono United States of America abede the boromo Mexico ni dem hu TV so dia abede kata dia restrictions na sa restrictions sa atare kura kura si benche chewe udidi kura si men didi we ono ma se men nom we e manu so apa na mu ma wo fa no na afidi asesa obi akose sheni team 2026 America Joe Biden na to so benu no enyere be ko ba me Mexico na mpese mi wura o don ya mi hu Austin Mexico be de
America be that Mexico they hold the America be that Miss America Sour Cup near kwa omo de be 3 years na be pam amam for you
amam for be ka o
amam for be jana sem pass
2026 channel so Canada Mexico and Afenso no United States of America be hosti a chira won the pause also the akonimu obese abekomu akonimu we wote wo okoko bate wo okukum onze wo abeti okoko ti wa yourself moja obo akomu runs for the CDU say you are doing fantastic work bro keep doing fire no penhwe ange bia nwume ozo mu ye adwuma de ze ya monye mfamfa mu mirum fire na no I executive fab say unu oh anu ko atangana flag ase nu ko na mze odi ni amaya yi ka ata wa mai na gu wa beti yate 83 minutes approaching the 84th minute mark. Argentina 1 Mexico 0. Ameke the boss player alongside Pastor of Paradise, Krobia Sante, Austin Ziggy, Yawum. Anopa Befia, no pabe, no wachi, yabaye, yetema. Obian Sharampe, Anshasae, Kruma, Obian Sharampe, Anshaye, Abraham Enchiao. And I want Marianga. I'm saying, enjoy it. Kruma, Obian Sharampe, Anshaye. It's been one of Pabe on watching. Ekobon Krum. Obia Penje. Ekruma. Ana da suwom. Da wa ya bobrem zo mu ba adwuma. Monyi zu kra. Ekruma. Ewom for God and country. Anti ewom. Ekona de Mexico. Ya yesimo ha. Ya ye de free chiro. Porin say Galado. Ane ni bra bre no. Yapim de fro atiafa so Winepa Lionel Messi Argentina share of a bonne behu. Oh, akwe John Palacios no John papa. Didina dano so nya mwa Palacios. Amama kai 2014 Abrante ni the Palacios. The team was trying to sakora na wajua ni kitu ya biatare na tiko. Anyo no anka Argentina fa World Cup. Ayo tipo kura ko bato akin. Oni keeper ko susu keeper. Palacios. Anene. Obune kai ari ene. Prof Wages ari ene. Yet to a game the 85 minutes Argentina Pona be in FM. Why? Abrante Molina, Manchester born for appear that question dama Otamendi to Lisandro Martinez, the Zongo boy. Martinez, Zongo boy, and the bre, Obwa, or born by the Obo Yenchin, you know. And the Brankwa, a corner of Argentina, Acuna, and nobody agro. Crabia, Acuna, and nobody agro.
Oh, yeah, I think that why you mind the first game I want money, Saudi Arabia boy, no. Coach, you know, started Abrante friend Nicolas Tagliafico and Numuna in the course of the game no ye change you say Obehia Aquina. The performance of better in the second half, no, and the man the opportunity so Obe started this particular game and he's never let himself down in this particular game because say one to me win the game we a hard fought victory for them because they've not been giving it easy.
Argentina. Yes, Enzo Fernandez, Wabose Gangoriam Argentina, and yes, he's the man and the player Krobia was talking about on the money ball. Enzo Fernandez, Wabose Gango, Ariam Argentina 2, Mexico 0, Krobia Santiago Fernandez.
Yes, first goal by the clear indication was, me say, this time go naba. Ube BMI as oka kotoka. You make sure say wouldn't get distracted with go na wadwin was say oka kotoka no. The more who make sure say ube toka no one goal and the awareness from the back any midfield transiting to the attack is oka kotoka no. You should be very very aware at the back and Osha first counter Ezekiel Palacios say no. I think the second one or this time round they've got punished by Abrante friend Enzo Fernandez. This is the boy I've been talking about in the first game. No, na me nimu reason why Lionel Scaloni decided say overbought Leandro Paredes. This player in no way lose form totally. Ewo Juventus need this at Paris Saint-Germain. Nyoma crunch down konkan Vitinha no maba Fabian Ruiz, you know, and that of Marco Verratti. Very difficult, even at times, you know, or honey about Danilo Pereira of Portugal. Now, be PMO Juventus, you know, or Hona Wesley McKennie, any Adrian Rabiot, no more Mayfield, na Leandro Paredes at the bench. This time round, Enzo Fernandez, a player or prospect, player with Pierre or the European spotlight, Obie Nisano. He's a player make sure say or ye progressor okutabona utumi piabone de konenim in terms of say ye creative spaces de he's one of them or ye defensive minded player but so okutabona not Serge forward aiki he's a very excellent player or that attacking mindset and so be to me the say ye creative chances de I think so he super we meet several midfielders in the group and they consist of this current Juventus American wasem any that of Paris Saint-Germain yenhwe the performances are done and in the Super League our mobile El Portugal. He's been excellent player who follow now we say he's a very solid player I know Obano or ye Marco Verratti oba or the kind of Jorginho type our mobile but no in terms of goal o share ne this ewo winner Benfica Sisiana he's a man or to me add goals to no need defensive duties ejuma oye and also a creator as well or create chances to open spaces unlock opponent's backline and I think that is exactly what Abrante Nibemuno he's never played bad even not and yes I go away now look at in the contribution always be ano a foul you found several times in the midfield and no create chances anymore and so in the midfield unlock that partnership a team no etumi for me so I think me de say makan ho asem from one first game on Saudi Arabia boy say me nim the anti Scaloni and Yusu bueno and one finance start here and me show me displeasure obey mu no when to me and letting me down and me are very proud of Abrante friend Enzo Fernandez. Argentina, kudos to them. They've taken their chances, especially when in the second half when we had that opener from Boana ain't looking likely to me go aba, but with individual brilliance and excellency from Abrante friend Lionel Messi, unlucky the defense in your ball in the net. Now Ubemane bimu opompo be because all better cano. The more over better cano or fresh legs are or the Julian Alvarez no to me abim, Enzo Fernandez no to me abim, Ezekiel Palacios no to me abim. One will be to me a running because one will need players are one will be more changes said Argentina one Argentina do you feel bench background if say on your equal to player no crana or you even better than the onya starting node no. So I think say that's squad depth any quality at the disposal of Argentina and our results we know okay.
Argentina 2 Mexico 0 90 minutes na so referee 6 minutes na there to so born abeti Mexico across ebehu share one cross yo share for here oma you born fracture Argentina oma you born fracture Cristiano Romero. He's been so quiet after Sobemu. Oh, yellow card besun. Mexico. Omaja Acuna era from. And now what do you grow? Other form I say, referee, my leg, menina. Referee. Daniel Osato, as my friend, wake up, don't sleep. Over that Kofi. It was a great goal from Abrante Enzo Fernandez. Short corner kick. E Pierre-Ma Messi Pierre-Ma Abrante Enzo Fernandez. Nipa mienu jina nenim. De na fa so ba ko mienu chi omugu baby. Kale bono. Fa kwana bottom of the post. Goalkeeper Ochoa. Chinu Musa so still in tanka. Ajwari Abasi, congratulations to Argentina for listening to Okuma Radio Analysis. Yes. No biatie, unti akotie. Bazawala, obwa. Krata sembetonsium. Ebetonsium. Anopano me mamu se 2-0 anakrobia se 2-0 na. Aneritum. I said Lionel Messi will score and you better be account and share masem. But Messi will score and 2-0 no. Any other way, I am Zakura away 2 number. Adwan Krata some Yaman for 20 idea World Cup Fujashi. Saudi Arabia in trouble now. The group is open. Yes. Argentina win our 3 points. Saudi our 3. Poland our 4. Mexico our 1. Mexico last match on the Saudi. I bet you say about Bonnie attacks. Argentina Junior win against Poland. And go winning as a member. Bonnie Kura, Abrante Gutierrez, Opinyama Montes da Quechere, Edema, Hector Herrera, Nikura Born, or Bonnetin, da Coben Kumso, or Chuchawine. Ojucha Brantani and sorry, Chavez da Banfinfi. Why? Gutierrez from Mexico in the center circle. 6 minutes at referee. Osato the toast in Apomo 4 minutes. Still Argentina leading Mexico by 2-0. Goal can see. Abrantani and Lionel Messi and Alfonso Enzo Fernandez. One upper Mexico. Yapimo with the natural Mexico. Kobonkeche. Kobonkeche. Raul Jimenez. Nanso. Abrante Lisandro Martinez. I say Ekabako Kuraya Mamonte. Ekabako. Momentene Gase Kedri and Kia Wardrow. Ya Mamonte. Why? Messi Kurako defend or the Waji. Messi. Neni Bra Breno. Usha Kwaya Enzo Fernandez say go na. Messi Shananima no Finafuno. Or Bomino say Manya wan kameden. Enzo. Unimbo amanfo de omhoto amanfo hwe dipo on de me say ba no langa na adwuma oboa What did you go report? Message here to the say ha ha ha. Argentina, you do all. There's a quick crata some bewumke. Sena was serena. Why ye dear? And crata some. And one some new or sereno. And in you qua. Whenever Mexico, Dabisha. Argentina for any bravery. Oh my bonefro. Atafa so Messi. Hey, watch me a boom. Lionel Messi. Pass any bechow. Ya so to go. Ya 1 or 2 web cry. Messi say, see hey, easy. Where shall we also where shall we ya 1 or 2 web cry. Julian Alvarez. Abaya Wadi Messi. I'll prune him to a good park and also. I'll prune him to enter referee. Daniel Sato Babana Bende. Game in Panama, Argentina 2, Mexico 0. Aha, na nyansa ni nyina wo wantie wa ana gotie ba bia dia nkrata asem nkoyi antie wa adia nkrata asem anopai ni nyina krobi asem nyina dedam anopai ti fiti anopai ni nyina bibia dem de wantie wa adia weekend ni di nyawo de ya de ekwo anopai de mawo sa anopai na Tunisia ya se amfa ana ya de ayi dia no so mawo I found you know. Saudi in Poland and they just said Poland befa.
I know they may say that can say one more Cinderella moment or more enjoy over Argentina.
Yes.
The real test in Angasa
and the Poland 2-0 so yes there no some referee Daniel Sato wabona ben the game ni nyina banawie hi Argentina fo ni age Omunum say game we na no din na difficult game the mamo playing against Mexico. Fantina ba Argentina. Omani age ewurade ya wini anke be den. Kata fese na anke go fie. Hwe. Argentina 2 Mexico 0. Lionel Messi ebogo ana fensono. Abrante Enzo Fernandez. Messi ni Daniel Sato kasa. Ozo, Tininkwa say wa she. Yeah, Argentina fans no solo kupa be hwe. Unwa ko Facebook. Ubo Argentina fans no. Yenchi solo ku amane guess no. Unchisa anka na mama kai ebre o Jesus. Ugabman ye wini wi guessi. Amane maesa. Ne tare chire. Ye twisa wana teacher nka odi etwi ne edu class a aso odi etwi ne edu class a ha na betwi edu class a aso we game na bana we Argentina 2 Mexico 0 Austin.
I think it was a great game for Argentina national team no. Where Argentina about tournament you know about 36 matches are obia ensure in Argentina in tournament or first match aye enkoyi into omo lose against Saudi Arabia na me I'm not surprised Argentina will carry the day on Mexico and they overcome group na nasa ba group ni to qualify. I'm not surprised say Argentina actually to go ahead the rise of Messi, Mone, Fernandez, boy. Although the moment to take your chance in the for the first half, but second half no, harder, to be equalize here. Argentina to actually 2 goals. It's good news for the Argentina national team. No, I think say Argentina for now a very very good worker. Yabo Mabaso.
Okay, and you yeah, bomb Mabaso and yeah, Austin Diano na Grobia. I'm was a bubia said personal message. It can open and tell Okaze. Argentina dia no 2-0 ni ade anka mutwa kwara score na mzi o de wanzi a ti ma memfa mo ana mu ze ampa na anopa no ti
aka akra ana yanko
yes but Saudi Poland definitely a very tough game.
1 p.m.
A very interesting being a Lionel Messi fan no. I expect Argentina every winning. Yes, and in their last 5 meetings between Argentina and Mexico in a win over Argentina. It's all definitely. But this is the World Cup, full of surprises.
Yes.
Mexico, their first game against Poland. Boy and Argentina, their game against Saudi. So they see. But definitely, I know say Lionel Messi and Lionel Scolani, Argentina coach, and the players, be put up a good performance. They know that they can't lose or draw. They can't lose or draw. It's a must win for Argentina. Definitely, I see Lionel Messi scoring, Lautaro Martinez scoring, and it will be a massive win for Argentina. And
Prediction,
prediction,
scoreline.
Scoreline 2-0 for Argentina.
Okay.
Grobia 2-0 for Argentina. And wow, sending message said 1-10. I don't know. And one koyon krata sama 12 from Grobia.
Good game, okay. Good game, pa. The reaction is very positive for the Abi Celeste of Argentina. Very good revenge. They can never let themselves down after losing opener against Saudi Arabia. No, that was unfortunate defeat in their opener, and this time around they would have to react to their fans and their supporters and the Argentine phone, and including one fan of Argentina. Any other players they would have to react in a positive manner to them, and of course that is exactly what Argentine for this one we win a game through the bench, and then squad said squad depth, the experience, and the quality materials are Argentine for one to me the overcoming Mexicans, one more first 11 problem I can make sure is from one first game I'm sharing at the back of me who said one would need that arrow man, one would need that attacking minded players one would even say midfielders create those chances are one way to me are bury, and then one more problem, one more key problem one. So the only thing they would have to do say always be a one more defend. So when you set pieces in defender be an midfielder be the ball need to very difficult for the opposing team. So we to me the equalizer. That is the tactics in any one more area one more games in because one more need player papa bia obey to me as go. One more rely on Abrante friend or Heaven Lozano. He is a winger, goal scoring rate, form. He's not that prolific. He's not that efficient when it comes to scoring goals. He's the same player. One more rely in terms of one more channel of supply. So be a supply ball, no be creative and we say more of the ball. Abrante no na one more far nepa for na in order no. He lost it in the first 70 minutes. Coach ni who say nya and modern bono ekon can be o to me yini frimu e the other midfielders and by all the attackers or the one mobile ni attackers are on any given day one mobile to me amao and goals and that is the only way Mexican team no who say one more lucky in terms of goalkeeping one more okay, in terms of defense how I want set it up in the midfield everything is okay, one more transition BBI intact. One more area balls in BBA by Yenemum Aka manner and you to me put the ball at the back of the net. That is their problem, and I think that it would cost them even if one to me manage to sail through this particular group, which it looks to me likely. Say one move to me sail through no, depending on a scoreline. One move to me over Saudi Arabia. Is Saudi Arabia going to give them that room? I know so you're down to Saudi Arabia, of which I almost say what 3 points are a draw, one more so share able to me and also one more rely on goals Argentina and so the best share Poland. Then okay, Poland then so good so or also 4 points. So I think say a group open Niambi be able to me between Argentina, Poland and Saudi Arabia. One able to me qualify even team my friend Mexico crampon with goals I won't be to me share anyhow Argentina so be share Poland I think say woman so standing in a pole position so won't be to me qualify o share fans I won't be PMU ebe Argentina China na che say bibia konkan de ma the last 3 and I say one first 3 the first and the last say yeah bo competitive game we friendly games if you about in the tournament called World Cup say Argentina and so any Mexico and so Asia no I think say 3 times spend one to me Asia so far as a FIFA World Cup on so here concerned the inaugural tournament one boy in Uruguay South America no 1930 one to me boy no they were in the group and consisted of France no and the Argentina and Mexico of which Argentina came as victors I want to share Mexico by 6 goals to 3 and in the 2016 World Cup playoff our boy Argentina into me and qualify automatically one money in the team playoff no and one to me win by 2-1 na sa particular game no one more right back Abrante no ball right back no Lionel Scaloni who used to be the manager today our sanso a coach here Mexico continue story no so no ka kwete say Didier Deschamps any Denmark dia no pepepe nti aka say Lionel Scaloni ebetumi ewini World Cup no dey aka ne di huna ne oman so etumi akonkan dia ma no back in 2010 so no the same thing Argentina automatically womo etumi an qualify so far as South America womo league table womo dinya automatic slot dey ko World Cup no e concern and womo san meet Mexico in the playoffs womo san so share 3-1 Papi Higuain no mo ene Abrante Freno Cavani Lavezzi no mo nyina anase Kalia Lavezzi ene that of Mascherano no mo Lionel Messi kruyara womo etumi ebo anya sa victory. So I think say in the World Cup no they say about World Cup they are very difficult for Mexico whenever womo be Argentina a very tough game but at the end of it you know Argentina etumi a crown the day no etumi win over that of Mexico no kudos to Argentines no okay one way to me ayejuma a hard fought victory and then no na bibia ni wa one way to me aye to redeem themselves than say one way to me ashe Mexico and one way to me win this particular game in a grand style in am fans ni to me any aje Lionel Messi again buying to the occasion when the going gets tough and he will be the headline from today. It was a fantastic super performance awarded. I believe say he will be awarded with the player of the match award. You know, definitely. I don't think the player be deserving or better than Andre Messi.
Okay, and here Krobia Santina Shannon so Argentina could this second year on the France in the beach, you know. I don't know, but definitely win against Poland there, first position. Almost ever far. Yes, I about to have yeah, the thing you know, see, it will be say, one your bread here, share live on Facebook. Yankopon and share papa, and what you say, you trima from our 8 a.m. But my name, you what can you home a bread commentary matches in here from day one at the Ebra womb. I say, I can confirm my aboa for the title and any offline construction and real estate sounds and a hot oven, Bodo Papa. Ubenya Edi BMK Asari and Company Limited Executive Pub Samsona Otomo Enterprise and a ready food and sono SOYMU Loma Vista Institute of Professional Studies and sono SOya saying Samsona and no and Sunyame Oforua Choba Amosono SOYMU na sono Enrob Enterprise and sono a boy I mean the live commentary and Ediano and so no etumi erebro executive producer Yura Kofi Anson Bar for Samson and Nana Kofi Okoria Jaman head of sports Kobia Sante Austin Pasolo Paradise Ajoa Pokia Ezana Mupoku DJ Zigibi DJ Vibes DJ Donzi Samson and Nana Kwame Perry the finest the boy John McFadden Omunyana Boye Amajumedieno etumi ekoso Kelvin Ampontadi enemy Nyame boa echana ebepa na fin so no yede eye matches e wo ho no nyina no enso no atumi ede abrel okay hwa ho ye na fin so no wo beda bompa e muchum haya 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 you know what it is haya 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 Hey, FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 Yanko Qatar live on Akuma 97.1
Everything 20th November, the 18th December, 32 countries. Yeah, the 64 games nina live commentary at the April on Okuma Radio 97.1.
Achadia need ye break predict a win during the live commentary on Okuma 97.1.